Okay guys, so in order to access books from online, so this is like our digital library, there's ebooks and audiobooks, you're going to go to your NISD portal. So you can do this from any device. It can be from a phone, computer, iPad, and there's an app. Remember, this is in alphabetical order. Okay, so if you're looking for an icon when you're in your portal, they're in alpha order. So I'm going to go to SORA. And the home page for SORA is going to be the district homepage where our librarians have already created some amazing lists for books. So we have you can browse by subject, or you can go through some of the lists that they have already created. So book brawl books, if you know you want to participate in book brawl this year. We have our summer reading lists. And then they've even given us some just categories. Fierce females for teens. First book in a series, start new series. There's more right here. Guys read. Award winners. Awkward and charming characters. Page to screen. So stories that have TV shows or movies that go with them. Okay, so you can browse that way. You can search right here for a book title. Or you can click over here. Nope, I lied. Collections, maybe. Yeah, and it'll give you all the NISD books right there. So, we're going to start today with the 7th grade summer reading list. Okay, that's going to just be our starting point. You'll see that some of the books are duplicates, meaning there's 2 of the same book on here. That's usually because one of them is a ebook, meaning it looks just like the book pages if you had it in front of you. It's just on your computer screen rather than on paper. Or some of them we also have the audiobook version. I would encourage you, if you want to do audiobook, download the regular ebook as well so that you can watch and read with your eyes as you listen, follow along. So to kind of browse through these books, you're going to choose one. Let's just start with right here, The Benefits of Being an Octopus. Okay, sounds kind of quirky. When I click on the book, right here in the middle, it'll give me a synopsis, summary, or just kind of some info about the book. And then over here on the left, it's going to show me the author. Okay, so Anne Braden. Maybe I read about this and I think, okay, cool. I wonder what other books this author has written. I can click on her name and it'll take me to other books she's written. Now, they don't have any in here. So our SORA app doesn't have any other books by her. Right here, I can look at the reading level, okay? So interest level 4 through 8, that's going to be about 4th through 8th grade. MG stands for middle grades. So that means that it's probably something that a middle schooler would be interested in. Over here on the left, it will give me other lists of books that are in this category. So let's look at chains. So right here, I see that it's a book in a series. So if I click right here on the series, if SORA has the other books in the series, they'll show up right here. If I click on the author, it'll show me other books by the author. See right here, SORA does have other books by her. Or if I want to just look at other historical fiction, I can click right here and it'll take me to historical fiction. I will say, when you're looking for books, make sure that you are cautious to see that it's the first one in a series. So for example, Legend is a series. Sorry, I went too fast there. So Legend, right here, I see that it's a series. It's the Legend series. So when I click on other books in the series, they all pop up. There's audiobooks and ebooks. You see that I already have these on my to be read list. So it says number 1 in a series, and then for the next one, it'll tell me it's number 2 in the series or number 3 in the series. So if you want to look at, say, other books by the author, Marie Lu, you'll be able to see which ones are a series. Okay, so like Rose Society, that's number 2 in a series. Well, I don't want to read and start with number 2. I would want to start with the first one in the series. Wild Card is in there it is, the Warcross series. I've read that one by her as well. Okay, so now we're going to take some time for you to just browse around, and then I want you to, oh, I forgot to show you how to do a sample. Okay, so if you want to read a sample of the book, you can click right here, and it'll show you a sample. Once you're ready to check out the book, okay, so you know for sure that that is the book that you're choosing to read, you're going to click Borrow. That means that you're checking it out just like you would from the library. So it has a due date, okay? You are now checking this book out for, I think, 20 days is what it will default to. I'm just using my arrow to scroll through here. And so when you log back into SORA, you'll click right here on Shelf. These are the books that you have downloaded, okay? So it says it's due in 20 days. When you finish reading it, you can click on Options, and you can either renew it if you need more time to read it, return it, you can mark it as done, and that is how you will return the book, okay? So don't click Borrow until you know it's the book that you want to read. Okay, up until that point, just click Open Book. Oh no, because I already borrowed that one. You would up until that point, until you've borrowed it, you would click on Read Sample. Okay, you don't want to borrow until you know for sure that's your book. You would just click Read Sample. All right, so let's look through that summer reading list.